Hello gig workers, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money, and if you're not a gig workers, join the team. So today I'll be working Doordash and skip the dishes. The Doordash shift's gonna start from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and the skip the dishes shift's gonna start from 11:15 to 3:15. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gigs apps, and stick around to the end because I always do a breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. So the time is 10:59. So I'm going to start my shift with Doordash first. So this is my first time I'm pairing up Doordash and skip the dishes together. Normally I have Uber Eats and Doordash running at the same time, and my average wage is around $18 to $20 an hour. So hopefully Doordash and skip the dishes could do the same or even better, right? Woohoo! Come on, Doordash and skip the dishes. Flex your muscle. Let's see. I think so. Let's see what skip the dishes bring to the table. I think it's gonna be lots of $7. $7, $7, $7. So $7, $21. That's not bad. So the time is 11:15. So matching order. So this is skip the dishes. $7, 2.8 kilometers, and the restaurant is Subway. So let's go grab that. Told you it's gonna be $7. Order from Subway, I drop it off. Transit pay was $3.49. Top up was 40 cents, and customer tip $3.11. So this is skip the dishes, $7, 3.8 kilometers. Yeah, so I pick up that food from Wendy's, and this customer is living 4 minutes away, 2.2 kilometers. So I drop off that order from skip the dishes. Now the $7, 5.4 kilometers. And the time is 12:13. I did three $7 for skip the dishes, so that's $21 in 1 hour. So this is Doordash, 11 kilometers, $17. I'll accept it. So that's like a $70 worth of food. I pick it up. Let's see how far this customer lived. Probably like 15 minutes, 12 minutes. That's a thumbs up. Not bad, not bad for $17. Woohoo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Base pay $6, customer tip $11. Thank you very much, customer. Okay, this is skip the dishes, $7, 1.6 kilometers. And it's a McDonald's. McDonald's right over there. I just changed my lane on this side. McDonald's right over there. Gotta go all the way around. So I I pick up that food from McDonald's. Customer's 2 minutes away, 600 meters. Transit pay was $3.49. Top up $1.51. Customer tip $2. So that's $7 from Skip the Dishes. I'm at $28 with Skip the Dishes and $17 with Doordash, and the time is 1:03. So this is Doordash, $8.50, 2.4 kilometers. Base pay $6, customer tip $2.50. So the time is 1:30. I'm just gonna end my shift now. It's just gonna start to get slow. No use waiting in my car, wasting time. I just want to go to the gym, lift some weights, build some muscle. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button down below. Every subscriber give me a boost to make more video, lots of energy and motivation. So subscribe to the channel to help it grow. So hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. I had 2 delivery with DoorDash. The first one was $17, base pay $6, customer tip $11. Thank you customer, that's a really good tip. Second one was $8.50, base pay $6, customer tip $2.50. DoorDash active time was 39 minutes, dash time 2 hours and 32 minutes. And this is Skip the Dishes. I had 4 delivery with Skip the Dishes. This one was $7. Transit pay was $3.49. Top up was 40 cents. Customer tip $3.11. This one was $7 too. Transit pay $3.49. Top up 51 cents. Customer tip $3. This one was $4.29. Transit pay. Top up was $1.21. Customer tip $1.50. Transit paid $3.49. Top up was $1.51. Customer tip $2. So with DoorDash and Skip the Dishes, the total is $53.50 minus $4 for gas equal $49.50 divided by 2 hours and 30 minutes give us $19.80 per hour. That's an awesome wage with DoorDash and Skip the Dishes. I didn't expect I'm gonna make that much, but I'll take that. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video like this. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.